Did you know some Buddhist monks spent years turning their own bodies into living statues, and they did it completely on purpose? In medieval Japan, a small number of monks practiced something called Sokushinbutsu. It began with a brutal diet. For 1,000 days, a monk would eat only nuts, seeds, and berries, stripping every trace of fat from his body. Then another 1,000 days of bark and roots, slowly poisoning himself with natural lacquer to make his flesh unpalatable to insects. Finally, he would climb into a stone tomb barely large enough to sit in, with only a tiny air tube and a bell. Each day he rang that bell to signal he was still alive. When the bell went silent, the tomb was sealed. Decades later, when the chambers were opened, dozens of monks were found perfectly preserved, sitting upright in meditation. The thing that makes this so haunting is that none of them were forced. Each one chose this path as the highest possible act of devotion, years of deliberate preparation, all for a single spiritual goal. That is what total conviction actually looks like.